Pelvic pain. Introduction. Some of the urinary system organs are located in the pelvis. Select true or false. Correct. The pelvis contains organs from different systems. These systems include the female reproductive system, the urinary system, and the digestive system. Does everyone with pelvic pain always feel it constantly? Select yes or no. Correct. The pain might be steady, or it might come and go. In some women, the pain may only be felt when doing certain activities such as exercising or urinating. Pelvic pain can be a sign that there is a problem with one of the organs in your pelvic area, or it can be a symptom of infection. Select true or false. Correct. Pelvic pain can be a sign that there is a problem with a reproductive organ, such as the uterus, or other organs like the intestine or the bladder. Pain can also be a symptom of infection. Does treatment for pelvic pain always require surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Treatment for pelvic pain depends on the cause. It may include lifestyle changes, medicines, physical therapy, or surgery. Thank you for using Explain.